Indeed's mission is actually very simple. Indeed's mission is we help people get jobs. Every team in Indeed is aligned on that mission, whether our customer is the job seeker or the employer.
Through our university APM program, we hope to bring a diverse set of talented minds who are passionate about innovating this space, about tackling these different problems that might exist in different industries, different countries when it comes to helping employers and job seekers find each other.
Indeed's APM program was created because we want to invest in and build up new product leaders.
We have a set of what I call future CEOs in the company who are coming in and making a significant impact within the first few years of their tenure at Indeed.
As an APM at Indeed, you own your product. You're responsible for the impact that that product has.
We know how difficult it is to create new businesses, so we try to create a culture where failure is not to be avoided, but to be embraced and learning from failures.
The way that we really think about careers and career growth at Indeed is that we don't limit anyone to specific boxes. We really think deeply about what your background is, where you've been, and where you're interested in going.
Since Indeed is headquartered in Austin, one of the things that we're really excited to do is to invite the APMs to come to Austin and spend their first year at our headquarters. What this will allow them to do is to not only build really strong relationships with our senior leadership team and to gain exposure to the responsibilities and the problems that they get to solve, but also to meet and to build really strong partnerships with all of our core products and our core businesses.
For the APM program, we are looking for incredible individuals. You've got to be able to work in an environment where you will challenge the status quo.
Someone who is willing and wants to be autonomous and takes responsibility so that they don't have to wait for their manager to tell them what to do.
Innovation is a critical and fundamental part of how Indeed works. It's baked into our culture. We are constantly looking for new problems to solve that will help users around the world, and we're looking for better ways to solve the problems that we've already started solving.
Why should someone join the APM program? There's an opportunity to change the world, to fundamentally change how employers and job seekers interact with each other and find talent and are employed.
We definitely provide the support and stability of a successful, profitable company while allowing you to tackle exciting, fast-moving problems.
You will get to be a part of a class that thinks very differently from you, comes from a different background than you do, and you'll be challenged to grow in ways that you didn't quite expect and be able to offer your own experiences within this cohort.